How to change the strap on a Casio F-94W. So we can look on the back here, and we can see there's an arrow right here pointing this way. So what you want to do is put a small nail or paper clip in this hole here and push the pin sideways. There, we can see it come out. And we can lift the strap out. Obviously the pin's stayed in there. This has stayed in there, just try to wiggle it out, like so. So what you'll do is you'll get your new strap, stick the pin in on the side, all the way through like that. Stick in the side, push it across, as far as it can go. Down, what's in? I mean, you probably need something hard, maybe a ruler, and push the pin back into place. And you're done.